Welcome to the Number Words Challenge. First, I'll show you a number word. Second, you'll have 3 seconds to figure out what number it is and say it out loud, but make sure not to yell it. Number 3, if you're correct, give yourself a point. Remember, points are just for fun, so see how many you can get. $11, 13, 15, 12, 14, 19, 16, 18, 17,